welcome to today's video. This is the first month I am on the premium subscription box. I think this is the most fun thing. We did our base box unboxing just yesterday. This one I actually got the shipped confirmation like 2 days before the base box, so I don't know why it got here a day late, but this thing is heavy. This is quite heavy. But anyways, I'm so excited about this. So Boxycharm's premium subscription is a very new thing to the company. They've only had it for I think 3 months now. Maybe this is their 4th month. I'm not sure. It's $35 a month instead of the base $25 a month. And I think you get 6 to 7 full-size products. Pretty sure, at least 6. I know for sure at least 6. Interrupting for a second because I always forget to say this in the beginning of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love that. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so you can see me back then. We do Boxycharm subscription unboxings every month. We also have FabFitFun coming up and a whole bunch of other videos that I hope that you get a chance to see. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Next month is gonna be extra special because it's all Fenty themed. I'm so excited. This month, oh my gosh, I already kind of know some of the spoilers that are in here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get an Hourglass blush, which is huge. They usually have like pretty luxurious brands, especially in the premium. This seems to be like the most popular one that everyone wants. There is a wait list for this. I just got taken off, so this is my first month, my first experience. If you're on the wait list, just be patient. I hope that you will get put off the wait list soon so you can experience this too. This is so much fun. Let's just open this up and experience this. I'm so excited. Boxycharm is my favorite subscription box. If there's any other subscription boxes you'd like me to try, let me know. I would so be down to try more. The box with just my hands, and I ended up hurting my nails so bad. I should just go. Ow! Oh, bad idea. Oh my goodness. Which I redid today. I was so tired of having long nails. I don't know how you ladies do it with long nails. I don't know how you do it. Okay, we've got scissors. I'm gonna do just what I did in the base box, and I'm gonna keep this closed and just pull one item out at a time because I think that was so much fun when we did that. But here's your sneak peek. I'm not going to look. I don't know what you're seeing, so I'm sorry if it's super lame. I'm not gonna open this because I don't want to be spoiling the surprise. I will post a link down below if you want to sign up through me with Boxycharm. It does give me like little bonuses so I can get good deals on some products, so that'd be really fun. But whatever you want to do, of course, it's always up to you. Okay, let's see. Da-na-na-na-na. What on earth? Oh my gosh, stop it. I wanted this. This is why it's so heavy. This is heavy. I am very loyal to my Remington styling products. You guys know how much I just love my wand. It's a 1-inch to 1/2-inch barrel that I get like the tighter, more Taylor Swift curls. I love that wand, and I swear Remington's wands are magic. Their straighteners are amazing too, but I have been wanting a new one, so now I don't have to buy one. And it has this awesome traveling case. I'm so pumped about this. Yes, this is so fantastic. And this looks like it's gonna be so nice for curling as well. I'm really picky with like my hair products and my hair tools. The only thing that I can think of right off the bat is that it has a little dial right inside for the temperature. I definitely prefer digital temperature, but I like the style of this. I think it's super sleek, but I like that there's a little bit of space between it, so hopefully this doesn't get hot, which is super ideal for when you curl your hair. I like to grab the ends. Product number 1 for me is like a smash hit. Next product. Is this our blush? Yes! Oh, actually, you guys, before I open this and see what color this is, I forgot that I want to turn down the microphone really quick because I feel like my voice is a little bit too loud in the videos. So just a second, I'm going to turn down the mic just a little bit. You have to let me know if you notice a difference, if you like that better. So yeah. All right, I turned down the sound a little bit. I'm hoping that this is gonna help. Hopefully it's not too quiet. I just felt like it was picking up too much on noises, like my chair. Sometimes my chair will make noises and it was just amplifying it. Anyways, sorry for the distraction. This is in the shade Diffused heat. That sounds like it might be darker, on the darker side maybe. Oh, actually no, it's super bright and it has a mirror. Wow, I'm impressed that it has a mirror. That is a super, super light shade, kind of a super plush pink. I feel like you can almost even hardly see that on my hand. Let's do one more so you can see that coloring a little bit better. See, it's just like a princess pink. I actually really, really like that. Let's put some on right now, just for grins. Oh, whoa, when you tap into this, look how much pigment comes off on the brush when you tap into that. That is crazy. Ooh, that is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Product number 2, smash hit once again with me. I do think that shade is beautiful. I definitely don't have a shade like this, so very exciting. And this is one of the brushes we got in our base box yesterday. I've been loving this one. Oops. And I used this one today for bronzer, and I actually really, really loved it. Although I do think it would be so good for foundation, but I loved it as a bronzer today. All right, product number 2. What could this be? Oh my goodness, you guys, I am just like, ah. This is the Glow Recipe Ultra Fine Mist. This is such an incredible hydrating mist. Oh my goodness. Ah. Honestly, Glow Recipe's watermelon scent, there's something about this scent that just, I really, really enjoy it. It's so like soothing to me. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. It kind of just brings me back to childhood a little bit. I love candies, so I really, really enjoy it. That is good. That is delightful. Okay, moving on. So that was only 3 products so far. What else could be in here? I have completely forgotten. I wonder if we're gonna get the eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I kind of hope we don't, because I'm not really into eyeshadow palettes right now. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is the best month ever. This is just so good. Boxycharm, you're amazing. Do you guys want to know what this is? This is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. This is $100. This is so fantastic. I'm just like above and beyond. I'm almost out of my Drunk Elephant moisturizer, which I really, really, really love, and I want to repurchase that, but I'm trying to wait until April when Sephora has their big sale so I can purchase it then. So I really hope my skin will like this. I have a feeling that it will. My skin really likes gold for some reason. I'm not choosing to be bougie, but my skin reacts very well to it. So if I ever find like gold under eye masks or gold face masks or something like that, I do really enjoy getting them. This is gonna last me a long time. Look at this. This is so cool. I've never had something this fancy. This is literally probably the most expensive skincare product that I have ever owned and probably ever will own. Smells really yummy. Is there perfume in this owner? Oh, I got it on my nose. Feels very nice. Might be kind of hard for you guys to see the gold flakes in this, but it feels super nice. So it's very, very jelly. Like it's like sticking to my fingers and stringing. Ooh, but it's drying down super fast. Very subtle scent, I feel like. This is great. And I like how it feels kind of cool to the touch. Definitely feels like it really locks in the moisture. I've been getting into skincare a lot more, so I'm like kind of dissecting it even more in my head than what I'm saying, but I'm super pumped to try this. This is gonna look so pretty on my counter. What is this one? Oh, I like lavender. Lavender Blossom Body Butter. So sweet. And I love, love, love lavender. There's shea butter and avocado oil in there. Both of those are really, really wonderful moisturizers. I very religiously put lotion on every single morning after I get on the shower. Head to toe moisturization. I even put a like collagen oil on my chest. Never hurts to add extra collagen. And then I'll follow up with a moisturizer after that. I usually just use Aveeno to moisturize, but especially on my legs, I really like using a body butter like this. I will literally cut open the bottle and use every last drop. So I'm very, very excited about this. The scent is very earthy. Not super into the scent. A little bit of lemon in there actually. That feels really nice and moisturizing on my hand. So product number, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, does that mean there's only one more? These go by way too fast. Sweet! Okay, this is the base tape. We're gonna have like a complete video on trying all of this stuff on, you guys. That's gonna need to happen. The Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. We're all about hydration today. Did you notice that? We've got a hydrating lotion, a moisturizer, a mist, a hydrating primer, and then we have a straightener and blush. Those are like separate category. I actually have really oily skin, you guys know that, so I don't generally do super hydrating products. However, I have noticed that even though I have oily skin, my skin really likes the hydration. That's why at night especially, I add a lot of moisture back into my skin. Otherwise, if I strip the oil away, it actually produces more oil to compensate the lack of. I've learned that even though I have oily skin, hydration is not a bad thing. So honestly, this could end up being like a holy grail primer. So I'm super excited to try this. I just want to see how it feels. You know what? It feels like sunscreen. You know when you put on sunscreen, you kind of have that like tacky, almost sticky, the lotion kind, not like the oil kind. Definitely not the oil kind, but it kind of feels like that. Kind of just like first impressions. First impressions are tough with stuff like this, like a primer. You really don't know how it works until you try it. We'll have to just have like a full-on try-on video because we have mascara, we have that mist we can try, we have blush, we can even curl our hair with the straightener in the video, try out the primer, we have powder, which I did actually use today, and that was really nice. Let's add up the total. I totally forgot about this part. So we already knew that this guy, that's a bougie little thing right here, is $100. So let's just add that on there right off the bat. The flat iron is $80. Stop it. You guys, if you need a good flat iron, just get a Remington one on Amazon. Those ones are amazing. I'll actually link the one down below I have, or at least the closest one to it, and I'll link my favorite curling iron too. Remington's like hair tools are fantastic. I'll just link those below so you guys can go check those out. Our box this month, we paid $35 for this box. Just FYI, $310. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Wow. Crazy in a good way though. This went by like just way too fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I think the premium box is so much fun. Next month is extra special. Like I said, it's all Fenty next month. Actually, I don't know if I said that or not, but next month is all Fenty. You already know 5 out of the 6 spoilers. So I kind of already know it's coming, but it is going to be a variation. I'm pretty excited about that. I think it's going to be such a fun month. I don't know what's going to be in the base box next month. Let me know down below. Comment what your favorite product was today. If you've tried any products, if you've heard of this or tried this, I'd really love to know what your thoughts are. If you haven't subscribed yet, hi, I'm Victoria. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. This is just honestly one of the most fun adventures that I've done in life so far. It took up years of courage to finally start my YouTube channel, but thanks to the support of especially my husband, he has helped me with so much, putting up with going shopping with me. Like, he has seriously been a trooper. So thank you to my sweet husband for all that you do for me. I'm so excited to continue filming videos, and I hope to see you guys back very soon. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can be notified when I post new videos, which is every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.